The biggest of Chinese UCO was China government canceled tax rebate on December 1st, 2024. The announcement from the Chinese government regarding the cancellation of export tax rebates, effective December 1st, 2024, has significantly impacted the UCO market. Used cooking oil, HS code 1518000, has been included in this tax policy change, leading to an approximate 13% price increase. Following the rebate cancellation, the price of UCO in North Asia has surged by approximately $100 per metric ton, reaching $1,000 per metric ton by November 21st. This increase has understandably caused hesitation among clients in initiating new deals. However, through consistent communication and collaborative efforts, we have begun to establish new orders, including a recent 2,000-ton contract. Since the news was released on November 15, 2024, we have proactively worked with our clients to mitigate the impact. We prioritized shipping out existing inventory at ports before the tax rebate deadline. For example, we successfully facilitated the shipment of a 32,000-ton order for one of our clients, ensuring timely delivery and cost efficiency. For example, before December 1st, we helped one of our clients to ship 32,000-ton product. Here is the application for inspection and quarantine of outbound goods. With the rebate canceled, the export cost of UCO will increase by approximately $103 per metric ton. Everyone is concerned about addressing the tax rebate issue and settling export procedures by November. In the beginning of December, our clients were not confident in doing new deals. We understood that and kept close contact with them. It took us a few weeks to establish new orders. Here is a record of a contract of 2,000-ton used cooking oil. We delivered it in 2 patches. Here I'd like to share a chart of the used cooking oil price in our sales since 2022. Details in 2024. The price changed dramatically around the time of the tax cancellation. We continue to prioritize customer service over pricing challenges, working closely with our partners to navigate this turbulent market. If you have any concerns or need further assistance regarding UCO shipments or pricing under the new tax structure. As we look ahead, I am hopeful that the business and government policy environment will stabilize, allowing us to return to normal operations. I am eager to explore any new opportunities that may present themselves as we navigate these changes together with our clients. As we reflect on recent operations, I wanted to share a summary of the used cooking oil price trends in our sales since 2022. The pricing saw a significant shift around the time of the tax cancellation, which impacted our business environment. We delivered this data in 2 patches, and further details will be available in 2024. Looking ahead, I am optimistic that the business and government policy landscape will stabilize, enabling us to resume normal operations. I am also keen to explore potential opportunities for collaboration as we navigate these changes together. Thank you for your continued support, and wishing you a prosperous new year. I look forward to strengthening our business relationship in the coming year.